Hello, and welcome to Flexgigzz. After your employer account is ready and you completed your profile, it's time to post the job. So you go to the dashboard and put your cursor on your profile name. Go to Manage Job and click Post a Job and fill the job description. You can write the job title, choose the project level, duration of the project, what kind of freelancer type that you want to hire, and the freelancer's English level. You can put project's expiry date and the deadline of the project, if the project is urgent or if you have time schedule. Then, you fill the price that fit your budget. You can set the fixed, minimum, and maximum price. After that, you select the category of the job. If you cannot find the category of the job, you can ask Flexgigzz online support for help. Then, you select the language of the project. After that, you fill the job details. Here is the main points where you have to describe your job as clear as possible to avoid miscommunication with the flexers. Make sure you include these 3 points in writing your job details. First, about the job and the purpose of the project. Second, what must be included in the work. And the last, your expectation of the delivery time. Then you can select the skills that freelancers must have. You can also upload your relevant projects files to give clear idea to the freelancers. Don't forget to select your location. And the last click is Save and Update. Now your job is published and you will receive applications from the flexers. Good luck!